Rachmaninoff.
YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Don1914 back with another sneaker review. So today we're going to be looking at the low top version of the DT Max, the Deion Sanders joint. So I believe that's right, DT Max. We'll find out. I always forget the name of these for some reason, but this is the low top version, and I want to go ahead and jump right into it. I don't want to waste no clock. I want to get right into the unboxing. So if you're new to the channel, if you went to Fits and Kicks, you're in the right place. Welcome to the channel. All my OGs, welcome back. Like, comment, subscribe, share the channel with friends and family. And let's go ahead and unbox the shoe. So I copped this pair from JD Sports. Copped it early. This pair doesn't release until May 22nd. So, and that's according to the Sneakers app. I'll see if I can put a picture up here to show you. On the Sneakers app, if you check the Sneakers app, it does say May 22nd. So JD Sports, for whatever reason, released these early. I was able to cop online, and I was able to use my $20 off reward and cop these for $20 less than what they were going for. I think the retail price is $170, but I copped it for $150. So yeah, so let me read the box. Yeah, Air DT Max 96 low, black, metallic, gold, white, size 10 and a half. So here's what the box looks like. It's your OG box. Good writing on the side here. What does this say on the side? Engineered and built to the exact specifications of champions, athletes from around the world. That's on the box. Right here. Round top. And then here's the size label right here. That comes in clear. Let's go ahead and pop it open. Flip lid box. I do like the flip lid box, man. I'm starting to like those better than the regular lids. One sheet of paper and you get straight to the shoe. So yeah, this is my first time ever seeing them in hand. Let's see if you get anything else in the box. Nah, no yellow YMC stickers or anything like that in the box. Just a sheet of paper and the shoes. So that's how your box should come. And let's go ahead and get into the shoes and get some of this off the desk. Some of this debris. All right, cool. First time sitting in my hand, and yeah, I like them. Now here's the thing, I got a 10 and a half. I don't know if I wear a 10 or a 10 and a half in these. I know in a high top version that came out, and I did a review. Go back and check that review out if you want to. And I think I got a 10 and a half in those too, but they were kind of big. So matter of fact, it wasn't big. They were kind of snug because of the strap. This doesn't have the strap, and it's a low top. Normally in my low tops, I go down to half the size, but you know, we're gonna see, you know, how they fit. Man, they look a little long. I ain't gonna hold you. All right, so let's hop right into the review. Bottom, you got that white bottom, black Nike sign. You got on the back here, you got Deion right here, his picture. Inside that, gold, black, and white. The globe right there in the middle. That's fire. That's one of the dopest parts of the shoe. All white midsole with some texture on it. And as you come up to the upper of the shoe, now you got a combination of different materials. So the white part in between the black nubuck is like a mesh material. So it's not leather, it's like a mesh material. That's coming in clear on your screen. You can kind of see it, and if you kind of scratch it, you hear the material. So that's in between nubuck material, and then you got the holes on the side are in gold. You got gold hits on a little circular holes or oval holes on the side. Gold Nike swoosh. That's like, it's not stitch or anything. It's like a plastic swoosh that's embedded on the side, right there towards the back of the heel. Then that's different from the swoosh in the back. And the swoosh in the back is stitch, gold swoosh. Got the air right here above the little hang tag. That's fire. I think that was a nice touch right there. And then on the medial side, you got another gold swoosh, which I love all the gold hits, but this is stitched as well on the medial side. Now, there's another gold, there's two more gold swooshes. There's one right here at the top of the eyelets right there. As you can see, mini swoosh. And then right here on the toe box, and the toe box is a combination of the three different materials. This part of the toe box, nubuck, you got the mesh coming along the sides right here on both lateral and medial side. And then right here where the gold swoosh is stitched in, that is a mesh material right there. So that's what that looks like. Ooh, you got rope style laces, speed style rope style laces. So you got a neoprene tongue, you got the speed rope lace system, and then on the top you got that football goalpost and a baseball diamond right there on the tongue. Dion was a two-sport athlete, so of course they put the combination of both sports on the tongue. Now I was looking at something here, and then where the laces, the lace holders, like where the eyelets on the side, there it's leather. Like this part right here, these are leather. Hopefully that's coming in so you can see that, but that's leather on the side that's holding the laces. And then I noticed something else. You got little gold stitching right here along the medial side and the lateral side right here along where the lace holders are as well. So I'm loving the gold hits that are on the shoe. I'm pretty sure they have more gold hits on here than they had on the actual high top pair. And I'm loving it. You got a big air bubble that wraps around the heel of the shoe. Clear air bubble. And inside looks like a black air unit to me inside. That air bubble that wraps all the way around. Let me see if the inside, let me go ahead and grab the inside shoe paper. And then nothing on the back of the tongue. And inside, you just get a black insole with a white Nike Air on the insole. So hopefully it's coming in clear so you can see that. Yeah. And that's pretty much it. Let me see if there's anything different on the right shoe compared to the left shoe. Nah, same. Everything looks the same pretty much. Predominantly the same. Everything. Outsole, lateral side, medial side, back. So, let me get to throw these on feet, man, to see, you know, what they feel like and how they look. Like I said, they look a little long, but I don't know, man. I guess we can jump into sizing, and because, like I said, I don't know if I should get a 10.5 or 10, and I guess that would be important for you guys to know what size to get when these do drop. So, yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into sizing real quick. Okay, so here's the sizing tips. So, I'm glad I went with a 10.5 because these fit perfect. They almost damn near snug. I don't know if it's because that this inner booty that's inside of here. I don't know what it is, but yeah, these fit perfect. So my recommendation would be whatever you wear in your true to size, and anything you wear true to size. Like for me, it's like mostly all Jordans and things of that nature, and older shoes like these shoes that came back out in the 90s. I don't know what it is about the shoes that they brought back out that came back out in the 90s, but for some reason they all fit snug, all of them. So I don't remember them being like that back in the day, but you know, it is what it is. But I'm glad I went with a 10.5 because a 10 would have been way too tight. So my recommendation, don't go down a half a size in these. Go with your true to size and you should be good. So, you know, with that being said, let's hop back into the review and go ahead and end it off. All right, cool. So that was sizing. So hopefully that helped y'all, you know, figure out if you want to go ahead and cop a shoe and what size you should get. Hopefully that was helpful. So without further ado, I'm eager to go ahead and do the on feet for you guys. And yeah, put these on to see how these looking. So comment down below, how do you feel about this pair? Will you be going for a pair when they drop? Majority on most sites on May 22nd, or are you going to pass on this pair? Comment in the comment section down below, how do you feel about the low version of the DT Max 96? And with that being said, I want to hop into this on foot. I appreciate it if you stayed to the end of the video. Like, comment, subscribe, share the channel. And until the next video, I'm out.
I know. I'm dipping steps so fresh, they call me Manny. Plus the crossover so cold, it come in handy. Every day I shoot a movie, call me Stanley. Can't walk a mile off in my shoes if you can't stand me. So exclusive, this only for friends and family. We up on sneaks and they so geek, we high on fashion. What's up, what's happening? I'm extra fresh out the package, shipping and handling. Life of 4D, I'm an OG like Jordan 03, yeah. It's getting OC, the fashion on me, they tryna clone me, yeah. Shot the DE for the 3P, I'm like Kobe, yeah. The passion feed me, yeah. I know you see me, yeah. Done one, I'm so white this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done, I'm done one. I'm so white this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done.